Happy Hot Thomas and Amp. Amp. Friends, the Super Engine Poster Blanket Fleece Customized Blanket, the ultimate comfort and joy for Thomas and Amp. Friends, fans with the Happy Hot Thomas and Amp. Friends, the Super Engine Poster Blanket Fleece Customized Blanket. Designed with vibrant colors and featuring your favorite characters from the beloved series. This blanket brings the excitement of Thomas and his friends right into your home. Made from 100% premium cotton, this blanket is incredibly soft, lightweight, and breathable, ensuring warmth without causing discomfort. Crafted with care in the United States, every blanket undergoes rigorous quality checks to guarantee a product that is both durable and safe for children and adults alike. Whether you're looking to brighten up a bedroom, add charm to a playroom, or simply enjoy cozy moments on the couch, this blanket is a perfect choice. Happy Hot Thomas and Amp. Amp. Friends, the Super Engine Poster Blanket Fleece Customized Blanket. Fleece Blanket. Customized Blanket. Happy Hot Thomas and Amp. Friends, the Super Engine Poster Blanket Fleece Customized Blanket. Happy Hot Thomas and Amp. Friends, the Super Engine Poster Blanket Fleece Customized Blanket. Happy Hot Thomas and Amp. Friends, the Super Engine Poster Blanket Fleece Customized Blanket. The Happy Hot Thomas and Amp. Amp. Friends, the Super Engine Poster Blanket Fleece Customized Blanket and Amp. Friends poster is not only visually appealing but also highly functional. Its fleece texture provides a comforting and warm embrace, making it perfect for chilly evenings, reading sessions, or nap time. The blanket's generous size allows children and adults to snuggle comfortably, while its lightweight nature makes it easy to carry on trips, picnics, or family outings. Thanks to its customized design, each blanket can showcase a unique layout of Thomas, Percy, James, and other beloved engines, making it a standout piece in any room. Furthermore, the durable stitching and high-quality cotton ensure that the blanket remains soft and vibrant even after multiple washes, providing long-lasting enjoyment for your little ones and even for fans of Thomas at any age. Bring smiles and warmth to your home today with the Happy Hot Thomas and Amp. Friends, the Super Engine Poster Blanket Fleece Customized Blanket. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion for young fans of Thomas and Amp. Friends, don't miss out on the opportunity to own a cozy, visually stunning, and high-quality blanket that perfectly combines comfort with fandom. Explore more designs and add your favorites to see a wide variety of other themed blankets available. Treat your loved ones or yourself to this delightful blanket and enjoy the charm and nostalgia of Thomas and Amp. Friends in every cozy moment. Other product.